Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ari back again with another video. So before we get into this, make sure you stop, take a second, go down below, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Alright, let's hop right on into it. So as y'all can see right now, I'm going to be reviewing this Tangle Teezer brush. Child, if you've been following natural hair YouTube, then y'all have seen this brush. They say it's for 3C to 4C hair. I'm just type 4. I don't know which type, I got all of them. So I'm starting out on freshly cleansed hair. I did detox using the clay mask, and now I'm getting ready to deep condition. I did miss a couple spots. We ain't gonna talk about it, but I am going through. So my hair was pretty dry, as in like it needs to be detangled and conditioned, but it was still damp. So I went in with my favorite Miche Beauty deep conditioner. I'm gonna leave a video up top so you guys can watch that review. But this conditioner has so much slip. So I went in and of course I detangled from the bottom up. The bristles on this brush are very much, they're like layered. So some of them are short, some of them are long. And the brush itself is actually very light. My only thing with this brush is, you know, when you have conditioner in your hands, it gets slippery. It gets annoying to kind of hold the brush because it kind of can slide out your hand. But it did a very good job running through my hair with no problems. Now, the texture in the back of my hair is usually the one that like tangles up the most, so I was very surprised at the fact that this just went through like butter. The brush is very sturdy, the bristles don't bend. But my only other thing with this brush, before I even just big up the brush like that, is that the brush is actually hard to clean. As y'all can see, you can't just pull out the brush. I'm not redoing this voiceover. You can't just pull out the hair. So I did go in with a comb just to get all the excess hair out of the brush, which wasn't a lot, but that's something that's actually really annoying. Even washing the brush is actually very annoying because the hair gets so caught down to the flat part of the brush, and you can't really get through the bristles because there are so many of them. But it is a very sturdy brush for $14. I mean, it does a pretty good job. So yeah, I went through and I just brushed out and detangled my entire head with this conditioner. It didn't take very long just because the brush is so sturdy and it does go through my hair very, very, very easily. This is not sponsored, by the way. They have not sending me this brush, child. So I did purchase this brush. So if you're in the market for another brush, it's not as stable or not as sturdy, as you can say, as the pattern brush, which means it's not that hard of a brush or tough as a brush, but it is a great brush to invest in. It does a great job at detangling and defining my curls. So that's it. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Oh yeah, before I say bye, this is all the shedding I got. My entire head. That's it. Y'all on to something, Tangle Teezer.